What's the easiest way to get signups? It could be every day, every week, every month. All right. I've been able to sign up 400 people in LiveGood doing exactly the same, system, technique, whatever you want to call it. Okay. It's all by making it fun and simple, short and sweet. Okay. First, you got to join. You got $49.95. Come aboard. Go to joincory.com. Okay. I get business cards made up at Vistaprint, $25-30. I buy domain names from GoDaddy for like $11. And then I forward it to the LiveGood capture page, which you have, which I have. And it's a 6-minute video where you can learn about LiveGood. You're either in or out. And from there, if you want to join, put your name and email address in, and then, open up the LiveGood email and you can climb aboard. And if you don't want to join yet, you're at least going to get 30 days of one email a day from LiveGood, just promoting the business and giving you more information about the opportunity. Okay, this is all I do every day. Guys, I email. I got a great email system that I hope that you participate in. It's only $30 a month to get 3,000 to 6,000 leads per month. What a deal, right? I think the business cards are fine. All you do is hand them out now and then. It's not that you're going to use them a lot, but don't talk about LiveGood, guys. Let video do everything, okay? All right, so when you go to joincory.com, let's just type it in. Maybe I can show you just on my screen real quick. But just watch the video. See that little YouTube button right there in the middle? Press play. And if you want more information or want to join, just put your name and email address in. Click the reserve my position now, and let's rock and roll. Okay, you'll have your own web page just like this, where I put Cory Draper's website. You can put your name or your business name, whatever you'd like, okay? Keep things real simple. And that's it, guys. I've been able to sign up 400 people just every day, doing maybe a little video like this where I talk into a webcam. Maybe you can get on your cell phone. Like I said, if you're shy or you just hate video, you hate your voice, you hate your eyeballs, all right, then why don't we just get you emailing every day? And when it comes to social media, if you're posting on Facebook or Instagram or TikTok anyway, all you got to do is just invite people like I do. Joincory.com. Done. All right, just do it every day. Have fun. Actually, probably your worst videos that you don't like will be the most effective. Most people they just overanalyze everything, and then all of a sudden a whole day goes by and you don't even do one little 10-second clip that says, guys, there's something out there called LiveGood. Check it out. Here's my link. Guys, you're looking to lose weight or, I don't know, feel better, get more energy, maybe you have diabetes, look into this opportunity, okay? Products are wholesale, and you can earn money too. Joincory.com. Okay? Keep things short and sweet and fun. Okay? You don't have to do 10 to 20 to 30 to 1 hour webinars. I do all of that, but I get the most signups when I just do a couple-minute video like this and upload it to wherever. It could be a TikTok or an Instagram. My favorite is Facebook. And I love videos, so obviously I host everything on YouTube. Okay? Well, there it is, guys. After you click joincory.com, I sure hope that you just go say hi to this young man here, watch the video, put your name in, and let's get you aboard today, okay? Joincory.com, that's all you got to do. All right, that's it. My work is done. Peace and love. You guys have a good day, okay? All right, we'll talk to you soon. Bye, guys.